I just came back from Dollar Tree and Walmart, and I have a lot of goodies to start spewing out and sharing with you all, and I'm super excited to begin to do so. This video right here, I'm going to share with you some Dollar Tree and then some Walmart finds, because the rest of the Dollar Tree things, I'm going to have to break those videos down because I don't want to overwhelm y'all with it. So, oh, I know you see the balloons. If you are an official GlamDoll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed GlamDoll, then you know it was just recently my birthday. And I want to also take a moment to thank, oh my gosh, to thank you all for the overwhelming birthday wishes that you sent me throughout my social media. You know, the little memes and what's the GIF images and stuff like that. Oh my God, thank you so much. I mean, I kid you not. You guys really make the official GlamDoll community so rewarding and so therapeutic for me to continue to do these videos for y'all. But let me get into this video. So let me get my jacket off, get these bags situated. Let's get this video popping. Okay, dolls, I'm going to start by digging in this Walmart bag. That's what's going to make this video as much fun for me as it should be for you. Waiting to see what did MGA find in Walmart this time. Yes, Walmart. So first thing up, I want to share with you all, and this is going to be a serious throwback. Don't laugh, it's going to be a throwback. I got some Calgon. How many of you remember the commercial, Calgon, take me away? Well, I'm going to be taken away because I purchased some Calgon. I purchased the one called Ocean Breeze and Lavender and Honey. And just like back in the day to even current, they smell absolutely amazing. These are enriched with vitamin E and aloe, and they are moisturizing bath beads, just in case some of the newer GlamDolls is not familiar with Calgon. It's a serious throwback product. I mean, my mama had it when I was growing up, and then, you know, naturally I developed into using it. So when I saw this, there was no way I can leave these behind, and these are the Calgon bath beads that I picked up. As soon as I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. Next thing I picked up is a repeat buy. It's by Equate, and this is the Blemish Control Facial Scrub, and it's an apricot cleanser that looks like this right here, which is also equivalent to the same as the St. Ives, okay? But I've been using this a lot. I have no problems with it, and it gives me a great facial scrub, and it leaves my face leaving so incredibly soft. So it's worth looking into. Still with the skincare, I also picked up some more Noxzema. This is the Classic Clean Original Deep Cleansing Cream. It tangles and refreshes for soft, smooth skin, and it's also made with eucalyptus inside of it. This is a trusted brand. It's great for helping to clear up any skin blemishes you may have, especially if you have oily skin or acne prone skin. Noxzema is definitely a trusted brand, and even a lot of dermatologists recommend it, and that's what this is. So I got Noxzema, and then that concludes what I scored from my local Walmart. So now it's time for the fun part. It's time for Dollar Tree. Yes, it is time for Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree has been on and popping lately. I mean, they've been getting so much good stuff that you're gonna start. I'm just gonna have to show them to you. So first thing up is I bought just a little bit of makeup. I saw pop up in there. I picked up this e.l.f. Flawless Face Powder in the color called Toffee, which I plan on using as a contour. But what really attracted me to this is it has the acne treatment made right into it, and it looks like this right here, and that's by e.l.f. Cosmetics. So I picked up that right there. And the next thing I picked up, again by e.l.f. Cosmetics, the Flawless Eyeshadow. This is called Tantalizing Taupe. You know me, I'm a sucker for neutral palettes, so no way I was going to leave this one behind. I snatched up that. The next thing I snatched up again by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is the Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in the color called Brushed Copper. Looks like that right there. Picked up that. I'm so excited to try this. ANNNND, I'm not going to limit myself to this being a liquid eyeshadow because it looks like I can also use it as a highlight. I will let y'all know. I picked up that. Oh my gosh. So still on with now LA Colors. LA Colors Cosmetics, a repeat buy, my liquid liner. I live by this. I breathe this. I use this all the time. It's my liquid eyeliner. Got that one. Another one of those. I also picked up another red carpet moisturizing elf lipstick that came looking like this right here. This is a repeat buy. I had to buy this again because my cousin took the one I originally had. She asked me, can she use it? And I never got it back. Don't you? I really dislike when people do that. And because she know I got it from Dollar Tree, her synopsis is I can just go get another. But see, that's the problem with ones that do that. Everything in Dollar Tree is a one-hit wonder. So if you find it now, you may not find it again. I was lucky to find this one, but yeah, I got that. So next thing up is by Balm Tasket, and it's a naturally super balm lip balm that looks like this right here. I picked up this one. It doesn't have any flavor on it per se. All it says is yummy natural flavor. So I'll be trying that one out soon. And then two more things. I picked up some false eyelashes. Now I only picked these up just for the mere fact that everybody's been doing this lash hack where they take a clean mascara wand and they really brush it, you know, brush it hard, brush it back and forth, and then the lashes turn into mink looking, like faux mink looking lashes. So I just snatched these up to give that hack a try and see if it works. So I got that. And the next thing I picked up is this spoon rest. And I know some of you is like, oh, this is for the kitchen. I'm not limiting myself to what this is for. It is for the kitchen though. If you want to buy this to use it for your kitchen, so when you're cooking, you know, you can place your spoon or your fork or whatever on it as you're cooking your food. But I bought it because it's metal looking, and this will make a great palette for me to put either my liquid foundation on if I need to mix two different color foundations, or if I want to take some loose pigments and mix them together, whatever. That's what I got this for, and I can sit this on my vanity and be able to do so right in this right here. So that's what I picked that one up for. And now for the fun part. This is all going to be about spa at home essentials that's right available for you in your local Dollar Tree. First thing up, I saw these new bath bombs that popped up by Spa Naturals. This one is vanilla and coconut. That's looking like this one right here. And these smell incredible, dolls. This is the vanilla and coconut one. This is the Lavender Dreams. This is called Lavender Dreams. But the best one out of all of them is the Cherry Blossom. If you don't find anyone, if any one of these I was stressed for you to hunt and look for, it will be the Cherry Blossom. The lavender is good, don't get me wrong, and the vanilla coconut is good. But that Cherry Blossom, yeah, you need to snatch up this. So anyhow, these are the Spa Natural bath bombs that was now in Dollar Tree. And I'm not going to limit them to just being a bath bomb. You can also use these for like when you do your own pedicure, or you go to a salon to get your pedicure done. They small enough you can drop one in your water and, you know, and let your feet soak or whatever while you're doing the pedicure, and you can use your bath bomb that way too. So I got those. That was those three. Now next thing up out the bag, keeping on with the foot care of things and pedicures, I've seen these April Bath and Shower foot masks that looks like this right here. I haven't opened up one of them and used them yet, but I've been hearing a lot of great things about them. They are moisturizing, soothing with collagen, and you get one complete pair to a pack, and you put them on for 15 to 30 minutes, and then you gently smooth the mask over your foot to ensure maximum coverage of the skin. And you just wash the mask off on your foot when you're done, or you can wipe off any remaining residue with a damp cloth, and they look like this right here. I'm showing you one of these, but your girl, she racked up on them, because like I tell you, in Dollar Tree, when you find something, you got to go in on it, otherwise you're going to lose on it. So that was that right there. Still with at-home spa treatments, I also seen these by April Bath and Shower eye pads, but what interests me to these is it looks like it's cucumbers, right? But you get 16 pads to 1 pack. You're getting 16 pads to 1 pack. I mean, hello. I bought 2 packs and they're cooling cucumbers. What I'm gonna do is put them in, it says put them in the refrigerator overnight, and it may be stored in the freezer until you need them. So this pack is gonna go in the freezer until I absolutely need them, but this pack I'm gonna put in my little mini refrigerator, and I sure enough will be using these. So I want to do a at-home Dollar Tree spa day with you dolls. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, at-home Dollar Tree spa day with you guys. Still speaking on with spa at-home essentials, doll, I came across some new face masks by Global Beauty, and they the charcoal spa treatment mask that's made with anti-aging serum. Hello, you already know me, especially if you're an official GlamDollz to this community. And when I say official, that means a subscribed GlamDollz. Anything with anti-aging in it, your girl is all over it. So this is anti-aging serum, and it's a 15-minute facial therapy. It deep cleans all the way down to your pores, and it effectively moisturizes and nourishes your skin. You're getting 2 face masks to 1 pack. You're getting 2 in 1 pack, and this is by Global Beauty Care. And when it comes to Global Beauty Care, they are a trusted brand. They've been around for years and years and years, a well-known trusted brand, and these are the charcoal spa facial treatments, and I'm showing you 1 pack of those. But your girl, you see, I was not playing. I got those. And the last thing I want to share with you, and then this is going to conclude the video, the last thing I want to share with you is just some hair removal wax strips by Assure that looks like this right here. They're little mini wax strips, and I'll probably just use this to touch up, you know, my eyebrows or right above my little lip area. I have used these before. It worked okay, as long as you don't let it fully grow in. If you got like a little fuzz, little peach fuzz, that'll work just fine. But on that note, dolls, that just, with everything I just showed you, concluded the video. And I had an amazing time standing here sharing these fabulous finds with you all, and I got more videos coming that I had to break down because I had got a lot of stuff from Dollar Tree. And like I said, these balloons right here in the video, that's because it was just recently my birthday. And once again, thank you. Thank you, thank you. As a matter of fact, thank you all for the warm birthday wishes that you sent my way throughout my social media account, who also had DM'd me, who just acknowledged that it was a special day for me, for you to even acknowledge it for yourself. And I'm so humbled and very much appreciative of that. And that's what those balloons are. So on that note, dolls, for real, this concluded the video. Thank you for watching this video. But don't forget, we still gotta stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with my beauty alerts and Fab Beauty on a Budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.